for today's review, let's go through some of the problems we did yesterday, and then we'll do some new ones. So if we smile a maximum of once in a lifetime, let's say X is the number of smiles. And we could say X is less than or equal to 1 because maximum means that we have a less than or equal to 1 time. If we wanted to do a solution set for that, we would be talking about 1 and numbers less than that. However, it's kind of hard to get into negatives, so in order to get 3 numbers, we might need to include a fraction there. And it would stop at 0 because we can't really smile a negative amount of times. On a number line, if we were to graph this, we would need our 3 numbers. And then we would have a dot at 1. It's going to be a closed dot today because it's or equal to. And we're going to shade going to the left. Again, we kind of stop at 0 for this one. Let's look at the next problem. We talked about this one in class, so I'm going to go ahead and skip over that one. Okay, made over 12 million last year. I should buy a boat. Lucky you, kitty. We're going to define our variable as the amount of money made last year. And if they made over 12 million, that means X is greater than 12. If we were to do a solution set for that, I'm just going to move this up. Our solution set would not include 12 this time because it is greater than 12. So that would be 13, 14, 15, and so on. And if we were to graph it on our number line, we need at least 3 numbers. So I'm going to do 11, 12, and 13. Our dot is going to be open because 12 is not included, and we are going to shade to the right, going all the way up and including the arrow. Now one thing you'll notice is nowhere in here does it talk about millions. So I'm going to change my defining the variable to say the amount of dollars in millions, $1 million made last year. And now that will include that amount of millions.